In a world yearning for meaning and connection, the whispers of ancient wisdom call to us from across time. Shamanism, humanity's oldest spiritual practice, offers profound insights into the human psyche and our relationship with the sacred. This ancient tradition, once relegated to the shadows, is experiencing a resurgence in our modern world. People are seeking deeper meaning and connection. Shamanism speaks to this longing. It offers a path to healing and wholeness. Shamanism reminds us that we are not separate from nature or each other. We are part of a vast and interconnected web of life. By tapping into this ancient wisdom, we can rediscover our own innate healing abilities. We can create a more harmonious and fulfilling life. Let us embark on a journey to explore the psychology of the shaman. We will uncover the timeless wisdom that this ancient practice holds for us today. Shamanism, a practice spanning cultures and continents, is a path of direct revelation. It is a way of connecting with the spiritual realm for guidance, healing, and wisdom. At its heart lies the role of the shaman, the wounded healer who walks between worlds. Shamans serve as intermediaries between the ordinary and the non-ordinary realities. They bridge the gap between the physical and spiritual realms. Shamans are often called to their path through a profound experience. This could be an illness, a near-death experience, or a deep spiritual calling. They answer the call to serve their communities. Their purpose is to restore balance and harmony to individuals and the world around them. Through their journeys and rituals, shamans access realms beyond our everyday perception. They bring back knowledge and healing to those they serve. Shamans believe that all healing is spiritual at its core. Shamans hold a unique and sacred position within their communities. They are the keepers of ancient knowledge and traditions. They act as healers, spiritual guides, and storytellers. Shamans are chosen by the spirits to serve their communities. They are not chosen by humans. This calling sets them apart. Their role is demanding and often requires great personal sacrifice. They must face their fears and confront the unknown. Shamans must also navigate the complexities of both the physical and spiritual realms. This requires a deep understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. Through their journeys, they gain insights into the mysteries of life and death, illness and healing, and the intricate workings of the human psyche. The path of the shaman is not for the faint of heart. It is a journey fraught with challenges, trials, and profound transformations. This journey, often referred to as the shamanic initiation, is a universal archetype found in cultures throughout history. It is a process of death and rebirth, a shedding of old identities to embrace a new way of being in the world. The call to shamanism often begins with a period of crisis or illness. This is a time of great upheaval and uncertainty. The initiate may experience physical or psychological challenges. They may face social isolation or rejection from their community. This difficult period is not seen as a punishment, but as a necessary stage in the shaman's development. It is through these trials that the initiate confronts their deepest fears and sheds the limitations of their old life. Trials of initiation, death, and rebirth. The shamanic initiation is a symbolic death and rebirth experience. The initiate must surrender to the unknown and let go of their former self. This process is often characterized by profound psychological and spiritual experiences. The initiate may encounter spirit guides, power animals, or other entities from the spirit world. These encounters can be both terrifying and transformative. They force the initiate to confront their deepest fears and insecurities. Through these challenges, the initiate develops a new sense of self, one that is more aligned with their true nature and purpose. They emerge from this process transformed, possessing the wisdom, strength, and compassion to serve as a healer and guide for others. Navigating the cosmos, the three shamanic worlds. Central to shamanic cosmology is the concept of the three worlds: the upper world, the middle world, and the lower world. These realms are not physical locations, but rather states of consciousness. Shamans can access these realms through ritual and trance states. Each world is inhabited by different spirits and energies. Each plays a crucial role in the shaman's work. The upper world is the realm of light, wisdom, and benevolent spirits. It is here that shamans connect with their helping spirits, teachers, and guides. The middle world is the realm of everyday reality where humans reside. It is the world of balance and harmony where all things are interconnected. The lower world is the realm of the unconscious, the shadow self, and the spirits of the dead. It is a place of both danger and healing. Journeys beyond the veil, altered states of consciousness. Shamans are masters of consciousness. They utilize drumming, chanting, dancing, and plant medicines to enter altered states of consciousness. In these states, they can access the spiritual realms. They connect with spirits and receive guidance and healing. These journeys are not merely psychedelic experiences. They are purposeful and intentional acts undertaken for the benefit of the community. Through drumming and rhythmic chanting, shamans enter a trance state. This trance allows them to shift their awareness and journey between the worlds. In these altered states, they can communicate with spirits, retrieve lost soul parts, and perform healing ceremonies. The ability to navigate these realms safely and effectively is a testament to the shaman's skill, discipline, and deep connection to the spirit world. The tools of transformation, healing, and symbolism. Shamans employ a variety of tools and techniques to facilitate healing and transformation. These include drumming, rattling, chanting, singing, storytelling, and the use of sacred plants and herbs. Each tool holds specific symbolic meaning and energetic properties. These are carefully chosen to address the needs of the individual or community. Symbols play a vital role in shamanic practice. They act as gateways to the unconscious mind and the spirit world. Feathers, representing connection to the sky and the spirit world, are often used in healing ceremonies. Crystals, with their unique vibrational frequencies, are believed to hold and amplify energy. Drums, with their rhythmic heartbeat, induce trance states and facilitate journeys to other realms. Echoes of the past, shamanism, and modern psychology. In recent decades, there has been a growing interest in the intersection of shamanism and modern psychology. Researchers and therapists alike are recognizing the profound psychological insights offered by this ancient practice. Shamanic practices, such as soul retrieval and extraction healing, resonate with concepts found in depth psychology and transpersonal psychology. Soul retrieval, for instance, addresses the fragmentation of the psyche that can occur as a result of trauma. This aligns with the psychological understanding of dissociation and the need for integration. Similarly, the shamanic understanding of the shadow self mirrors Jungian concepts of the unconscious and the importance of integrating these aspects of ourselves for wholeness. Ancient wisdom for modern souls, shamanism today. In a world grappling with increasing disconnection, anxiety, and a sense of meaninglessness, shamanism offers a path to reconnect with ourselves, each other, and the sacred. The practices and principles of shamanism are as relevant today as they were thousands of years ago. They offer tools for healing, transformation, and spiritual growth. By embracing the shamanic worldview, we can begin to heal our relationships with ourselves, each other, and the planet. We can rediscover our innate connection to the web of life. We can cultivate a deep sense of gratitude and reverence for the natural world. Reclaiming our power. Integrating shamanic principles. We don't need to become shamans ourselves to benefit from shamanic wisdom. We can integrate shamanic principles into our daily lives. We can do this through practices such as meditation, nature connection, and dream work. By cultivating mindfulness, we can become more attuned to the subtle realms of energy and spirit. By connecting with nature, we can remember our place within the web of life and tap it into the healing power of the earth. By honoring our dreams, we can access the wisdom of our unconscious mind and receive guidance from the spirit world. The journey of the shaman is a journey of remembering our true nature as interconnected beings. It is a journey of reclaiming our power to heal ourselves and the world around us. May we all find our own unique paths to wholeness and contribute to the healing of our planet.